Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make taskbar bigger or smaller in Windows 11. So guys, in order for you to do this one, just simply go for google.com and search for Windhawk. And now from here, just simply select the first one, windhawk.net, and just simply select download. And now once it is downloaded, just simply first select a location, and now just simply go to the folder and just simply double click on the Windhawk setup and select a language and click on OK. And from here, just simply select next and select yes if prompted. And now just simply choose the components to install and click on next and select a destination file as well and select install and just simply wait for it to load up. And now just simply select finish once it is done to open it up. And now once you have opened it up guys, it will look something like this. And now you will just simply select browse for mods and then go for taskbar over here, and you will have here taskbar height and icon size. So from here, as you can see, there are 100k users. So select details, and now just simply select install over here. And from here, just simply accept risk and install. Now guys, once it is done, as you can see, you will have this option right now, settings. And now you can change the icon size, the taskbar height, and the taskbar button width. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching guys.